In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Jamba Juice gift card. If you want a quick, thoughtful gift or just an easy way to treat yourself, an e-gift card is fast, secure, and arrives right in the inbox. Start by opening a trusted gift card site. You can use the official Jamba site or a reputable partner like Gift. Make sure you're on a secure page by checking the web address and the lock icon in your browser so you know your information is protected. Once you're there, use the site's search bar and type Jamba Juice Gift Card. This helps you land on the correct product page without having to scroll through unrelated options. When the results appear, choose the e-gift card option. An e-gift card is digital, which means it's delivered by email and can be used in-store or online according to the merchant's instructions without waiting for physical mail. Next, pick the amount you want to load onto the card. You'll usually see choices from $5 to $100. Think about what the recipient might order, maybe a couple of smoothies or several visits, and choose a value that fits your budget and their habits. Now enter the recipient's email address. If you're buying it for yourself, simply use your own email so you can receive it directly and add it to your mobile wallet or keep it handy on your phone. Take a moment to double-check the spelling. A small typo can delay delivery. You'll also have the option to include a message. This is completely optional, but it's a nice touch for birthdays, thank yous, or quick congratulations. Keep it concise and friendly. When everything looks good, click Buy or Checkout. Review the order summary one more time, amount, recipient email, and message to make sure it's all correct. Then pay with your debit or credit card. Enter your payment details carefully and confirm the purchase. After payment, the gift card is sent instantly by email. It can arrive within a few moments, but give it a little time and check your spam or promotions folder just in case. The email will include the gift card number, a barcode or QR code, and simple instructions for redeeming it. If you bought it for someone else, forward the message or let them know to watch their inbox. Save the email or take a screenshot so the card is easy to find when you're ready to use it. And that's it. Quick, secure, and smoothie ready. Enjoy.